Cab driver installation tutorial. Turn on the rotary handle before installation. There's another one on the other side. First, you need to remove the garment frame. There are 3 screws in this position. If the middle one doesn't screw in well, you can move the frame. The cab driver can be installed now. Next, screw the 3 large screws on the X-drive connection plate. Do not tighten it. There are 3 slots on the cab drive. Snap the cab drive onto the 3 large screws. Lift the cab drive with your hand. This Y card block should be stuck in the card slot. Then lock the rotating handle. Lock the other side too. Pay attention when tightening the screws. Align the side of the screw with the upper edge of the cab drive. Finally, tighten the 3 large screws on the top. Open the pick after tightening the screw. Cab driver installation is complete.